and gentlemen, today we are going to discuss about Taoism. Taoism, basically, Lao Tzu is the founder of the Taoism. He has written Tao Te Ching. So, Tao Te Ching, he is also writer of the sacred writing Tao Te Chings. So, in Tao Te Chings, he tells us different methods how to spend life or how to live harmony with universe, with nature. So according to the Taoism philosophy, you must live harmony with the world, you must live harmony with the universe, nature. So how to live harmony with the natures and world, he tells us certain rules. So for that, I would like to discuss about what is Taoism. Taoism mean, in fact, a way, method, and then procedure, way how to live harmony with the nature. So there are certain points I want to discuss from his sacred texts and sacred books. So Taoist parables and Tao teachings. So I would like to give reference from both the books. First of all, Taoism mean way, patterns, and procedure and route. How do you cover distance of life, how you are going to live with a harmony with the world, nature. So first, when we study his books, he discuss about that you must look within yourself. If you want to find yourself, if you want to find something meanings in your life, you must look within yourself and find yourself, how you are, what kind of person you are. So must find in yourself. If you want to find success, if you want to live harmony with the nature, then you must find something inside you, because everything inside you, power is inside you. And Lao Tzu said, once you started finding and exploring yourself, you will be very successful person, because it can give you strength, it can give you power, and you can move ahead while living with the harmony with the nature. So second thing he tells in his books, letting go, you become free. So when you are attached with some people, you show non-attachment. Non-attachment can give you freedom, it can give you liberty. So don't attach yourself, don't identify yourself, being a teacher, being a doctor, being a scholar. So you must show unattachment. So you must detach yourself. Once you remove attachment, you will be free, you can enjoy your life, you can see things outside the box, you can even see things with different perspective. In fact, you have to have a higher perspective to see world with different angle, to see world with changes, to see world with different perspective and outside the box. It's what can occur through non-attachment. You have to show non-attachment according to the Lao Tzu. So further, Lao Tzu say that if you detach yourself, you detach yourself from certain identity, from certain task, certain tag, for certain status, you can enjoy life and you can better your life. You can get more harmony with the nature, because you just not identify yourself with certain thing. Then third point is, let go of your label. So for some time we give label to ourselves. So these labels are very dangerous, because these label does not allow us to be something else, because we are living with certain perspective and we are not going to change. Sometimes we consider ourselves losers, sometimes we consider ourselves philosophers, sometimes we consider ourselves scholars, sometimes we consider ourselves good fathers and mothers, and like that. These are the labeling. He says that you must remove all this label, because it destroy us and it does not allow us to grow. Further, he said that pay no attention to evil. All the time you're thinking about the evil. Evil can't be removed. Evil and good, they go side by side. According to Lao Tzu, there is no good, no bad. Because whatever you're thinking good, it is no more good. Whatever you're thinking bad, it is no more bad. So just go outside the box, evil and good. Then you find the truth truth. You can find the truth if you go outside the box of the good and evil. And further he said that good can't be removed, good can't be destroyed. Only way to destroy, you should be powerful than this evil. First of all, you find your evils. Once you find what kind of evil you have, then you have to be stronger than this evil. Only through this way you can conquer evil, if you are stronger than evil. Then in fifth point he says kindness and compassion. Kindness and compassion to other, while they are compassionate, or they either show sympathy or not. So it is not your duty. You must show sympathy, compassion, and you should put yourself first. In a way to have compassion, in a way to have a sympathy, you should put yourself first. And further he says that look at the water, river. It flows in its natural order, and it nurtures and it helps nature, and it gives water help the trees and animals and even humans, and it is just flowing. And look at the metaphors of the water. So how does it help and move, keep on moving without thinking about itself? It just keep on moving and helping animals, plants, and humans, everything else. It give us compassion, it give us power. So water is very powerful, yet it shows humility. So six pointer, be yourself. So go always outside the box, be yourself, live within yourself, and flow in your own nature. So if you are all the time you are thinking and caring for other, you will always prisoner. So don't think about other, be yourself. This way you can enjoy your life rather than be a prisoner. You will go outside this prisoner cell. Wisdom, true wisdom lies, according to Lao Tzu. True wisdom lies if you know other, you are intelligent. But if you know yourself, you are having wisdom. If you master other, you have a kind of power. But if you know yourself, if you master yourself, you have superpower. So further he says that change is inevitable. Accept change. If there is a change, you should embrace it, because change is always something new. Change is a different, change is a new beginning, change is a new life, change is a new way, change is important, change is a part of life, change is a part of nature. So you just accept it. Whatever change comes in your life, you have to accept, because it's different, because it's new, because it's new life, it's a new beginning, it's important, it's productive, it is constructive. So you must accept and endorse changes. So further he says that learn to follow first. If you want to be a leader, follow first. Look at the streams. They are thousand, but they still they still move towards, they still flow towards river and sea. So sea and rivers, they are expensive, they are big and having the larger, deeper, stronger, yet they receive. So whoever receives, he can be a leader. So first you have to receive in a way to be a leader. So be like river, be like sea, if you really want to get something. So talk about the streams. They are thousand, still they flow towards rivers and sea. So further he discuss about flow with the flow. So follow the flow, always follow the natural order, you will not suffer. Once you break the natural order, for example, if you're tired enough and you can't work more, you must follow nature and just sleep and get rest, because once you break the natural order, you will be suffered. Don't challenge the natural order, rather follow it and flow with it. You can enjoy your life. These are 10 rules of the Taoism. I really like Taoism. If you have any question, you should comment and I will give you answer. Stay blessed and have a nice time. Subscribe ESL Academy and share with your friend.